Hello guys, today I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Moxom MX-WL01 wireless earbuds from Moxom Kenya. I'm going to talk about its features, but before that, let's see what's inside the box. Inside the box, you will find a charging case that is very light and very durable. The charging case has a battery capacity of 350 mAh, which means you can be able to charge your buds severally before you can recharge the case again. At the bottom of the case, you will find the charging port used to charge it up. In the charging case, you will find the wireless earbuds. Each earbud has a battery capacity of 25 mAh, which translates to 2 hours of playback time and 2 hours of talk time, or 4 hours of playback time. You also get an anti-fingerprint silicone case. Finally, you get a lightning cable to charge the case and a manual to show you everything you need to know about the earbuds. What you need to do is turn on the Bluetooth on your device and search on the available Bluetooth devices, and then you connect. That's it. One cool function for these earbuds is that once you've paired to your device, you don't need to connect again. You just take out the buds from the case and they connect directly to your device. The wireless earbuds are designed to fit all types of ears, equipped with a Bluetooth chip that offers high-quality stereo sound. The built-in microphone and noise cancellation designs on both earbuds allows you to answer and hang up calls with just one touch. Tapping your earbuds when using can automatically pause or play your music. Talking about comfort, these earbuds won't fall off during a workout. The buds have Bluetooth version 5.0. This is a new version of the Bluetooth standard, which means various improvements. Bluetooth 5.0 also enables a cool new feature that allows you to play audio on 2 connected devices at the same time. In other words, you could have 2 pairs of wireless headphones or earbuds connected to your phone and then stream audio to both at once via standard Bluetooth. You could even stream 2 different audio sources to 2 different audio devices at the same time. So 2 people could be listening to 2 different pieces of music but streaming from the same phone. Isn't that amazing? I would highly recommend the earbuds. They are something that you can gift a loved one with or get for yourself.